And then let's introduce the concept of point of zero charge, PZC, point of zero charge. It's a kind of a point, quite often a pH value, that describes the condition when total electric charge on charge density, area density, how many charges per unit area on the surface is 0. It's a negative given as a negative decimal logarithm of the activity of potential determining ion in the solution when the net charge density, area density is 0. Okay, PZC. And if we're talking about proton or hydroxy group as the potential determining ion, which is in water or aqueous solution, the pH value at which the absorbed proton, the number of density of absorbed proton balance the number density of absorbed hydroxy group. So the surface always absorbs some proton. At the same time, we always absorb some hydroxy group. But at certain pH value, these two would balance each other, and as a result, the total particle surface would have 0 net charge. 0 net charge at certain pH value when the proton balance hydroxy group in terms of number density, and as a result, the particle become effectively neutral, not charged, positive or negative. So this table gives the so-called PZC for several different ceramic powders in aqueous solution. As we see, certain particles, material like silicon dioxide, the PZC is below 7 means what? Acidic, right? It's kind of like when the pH is acidic for the solution, now the particles have 0 charge on the surface. Okay. On the other hand, certain particles like magnesium oxide, when they dissolve in water, the PZC is highly basic, which means you need a highly basic solution in order for the magnesium surface to be charge neutral. Okay. I'll put it another way. For neutral water, the magnesium surface would be what? For neutral water, would be positive charged, right? For neutral water, for pH 7, magnesium would be positive charged. That's why you need a lot more what? Base, a lot more OH group to reach here that, okay, now its surface what? Neutral. Make sense? I'll put it the other way for things like silicon dioxide or tin oxide. The surface actually, if in neutral water, is actually negatively charged, which means you have to add what? A lot more acid, proton, so that, okay, your overall pH is pretty acidic. Then at that point, the surface now become neutral. Make sense? This is so-called PZC if we are dealing with aqueous solution. Okay, aqueous solution. On the other hand, there will be certain ceramic material that you dissolved in water, but then the charge determined species may not be water, may not be proton or OH hydroxy group. So then the PZC for these types like calcium fluoride, silver iodide, it's the negative decimal logarithm of that ion activity for which the net charge density is 0. PZC. So I read PCA, which means the charge determining ion is what? Calcium ion. PAG, which means the ionic species that determines the point of zero charge is not proton or hydroxy group, it's the silver ion. Make sense? PAG. Okay.